What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another God is Garage video. This is another GoPro testing video, or GoPro mount testing video. I'm going to try to do some other things. As you can tell, we're kind of in this little off-road. It's nothing crazy or anything. Maybe we could find something cool to do, I don't know. But we're in this like off-road testing park, and we got the GoPro mounted way up there because I forgot the Ram's hoods are aluminum. So yeah, didn't really think about that. So anyways, we got the GoPro mounted up there. We're going to show you some very vanilla off-roading, I guess. And I want to also stick it up underneath the truck somewhere and kind of see if we can't get the suspension moving around. I don't know, maybe that'd be cool. I have no idea, but I just want to test this GoPro mount out. So if you guys, any of you interested in this GoPro mount, is currently available and up on the website at www.gottysgarage1.com. Just go ahead and pick yourself up one. Or if you're a big influencer, you know, mediocre influencer, I'm looking for somebody with over 5,000 subscribers, around 100,000 views a month. Yeah, I'll send you one of these for free just to make a video on it. So let me know. We're gonna go ahead and get the GoPro set up officially, because right now, oh, this thing's kind of loose too. So right now it's kind of pointed, I have no idea where, but we're gonna get that figured out. And we're just gonna go drive around on this track, and then I don't know if I should talk through this or not, or we'll put some cool music over top of it and you guys can kind of see the stableness. All right, so we're in the truck. I'm gonna start it up, and maybe we'll see if, you know, we can use the stability control bypass and maybe do some donuts. I don't know, because I don't want to get in trouble. But anyways, we're rolling. So let's see what we can do out here. I'm trying to make it pretty bumpy. I'm not going to destroy my truck or anything, but make sure that this GoPro mount could actually stay up there. We should definitely check first to make sure that the GoPro is still up there, right? Alright. Hey, the GoPro's still up there. Did it move? I don't know yet. There, got it right here underneath the hitch. Have to keep checking behind me, make sure it doesn't fall off. I think after we go over this really big hill right here, we'll jump out and make sure that it's still on there. check it out. Oh, it's still there. Is it recording still? Still recording. Alright, let's get a little crazier. Turn the trash control off. There's that tent again. I honestly don't know what this area is. Untested territory right here, so I have no idea how well stuff is even gonna work. And it's still there. Holy crap. Then we'll go ahead, like I said, we'll put the GoPro 10 up on the mount and see how well that does too. There's somebody walking back here, so maybe this is only for walking. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, well, we're not going to use a GoPro 10. This is actually the 7 right here. So we're going to just keep testing, and I'm thinking like that. gonna call that for this video. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I haven't seen the footage yet, so I have no idea how some of the camera views are gonna turn out. I mean, I just drove around whatever this little thing is. Kind of looks like a little dirt bike track, whatever. Look at that Ram, bald tires. But it climbed through pretty much all of that. I didn't want to go through a lot of it and kind of get stuck in the center. Because yeah, that would just be embarrassing, especially since I don't know if I'm supposed to be here. And the main road's like right there. I don't know. Now again, just so you guys know how to get that mount, it is www.gottysgarage1.com, and you go ahead and pick this mount up and try it for yourselves. So let me know what you guys think, because I'm pretty stoked about it. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about the footage, and what else you guys would like to see with the mount. Maybe we can go up north a little bit and go down some dirt roads and check that out.